Good morning to and how are you? Happy Thursday to you. It is Thursday and it's like a Friday, okay? It's the 30th of April of the year 2020, making our short day the 30th day of the fourth month of the year 2020. Now, because it's the last day of April, we need to remember that this is going to change tomorrow, okay? It's going to be the next month, May, so it's going to be 5, the 5th month. We are going to look at reviewing multiplication and division fact families today. Now, you did a very good job last few weeks when we did multiplication in groups and division in sharing, okay? So we put them together and create fact families, which we did a little bit last week as well, okay? With our fact families, we always need to remember that the biggest number is always going to be at the top, always, okay? These two numbers here create and complete our fact family. However, they can change, can't they? Okay, it doesn't matter which side they go on, we can flip them, okay? The idea is that we always can multiply them together to get the answer at the top. So 4 times 8 equals 32, okay? 8 times 4 equals 32, and we can even put the division here to make it remind us that that's why the big one is on top. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. 32 divided by 4 equals 8, okay? So now what we need to do is create and build our fact family here using these three numbers, okay? So if I go ahead and do that, we're gonna make the font a little bit bigger. Here we go, okay? If I can go ahead and do multiplication times always goes first. Doesn't matter which one goes first, okay? So I can do this and it equals 32, very good. The next one then is going to be the opposite. I need to make sure that I can switch then the 8 times 4, and that equals 32. Now I'm going to take all of those here and I'm going to inverse it, okay? I'm going to inverse it. And here what we need to do is 32, and my division sign is not on my keyboard, so I will have to go ahead and draw it in, okay? Divided by 8 equals 32. And again, not 32, Miss Carolina, equals 4, okay? Because we took that first multiplication, we inversed it, we flipped it. So what we have here, let me get that, okay? Oh, excuse me, there it goes, okay? What we have here is that we've completely switched it around, right? So I'm going to go ahead, so you don't get confused, we're going to go ahead and draw our lovely division sign in, okay? 32 divided by 8 equals 4. The biggest numbers we see go here at the end, which means that they're going to go here at this end, okay? So let's go ahead and finish off our fact family. Okay, then we have 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Flip those spots, okay? And then we can go ahead and put in our division. Ooh, okay? And that would be our complete fact family, okay? Now, that was pretty easy peasy, okay? So what we're going to do now, and I'm going to take a picture of this. Okay, what we're going to do now then is actually look at some challenges, okay? If we go to the next one, we're missing the number at the top. We're missing the answer of the multiplication, aren't we? Because we know these two numbers times together are going to make an answer here, okay? So in order to find 7 times 6, what do I need to do? I can go ahead and make some groups, okay? I'm going to make then 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I've made 7 groups. And then here I can go ahead and put 6 in each group. You can do 6 lines, 6 dots, whatever you want to count, okay? For me on the computer, it's easiest just to do little stamps. So I'm gonna do hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now how do I find my answer? We have 7 groups of 6, which means now I need to count them all. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and count all of my lovely hearts. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So then my answer here is going to be 42. Okay, very good. Now that we have my fact family, I can go ahead and build it up. Okay, so I'm going to take 7 times 6 equals 42. It's the same as 6 times 7 equals 42. Then we can take that and inverse it. We can do 42 divided by 7 will equal 6. And then I can do 42 divided by 6 equals 7. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and draw our lovely divisions. Well, I do. Okay, so that we can see exactly how our fact family should look. Okay, so that is another great example. Let's take a picture of this for you. Good. Okay, and there's another example that will come up in your work today that I want you to take a look at. Now we have the triangle. We have the answer at the top, right? So we have the answer here at the top, and we have one of the numbers, but we're missing the other one. So we're missing the other one that we can times to get this one, okay? That means that we need to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. We need to divide or share, okay? So if we remember that, we need to share. We're going to do 12 divided by 6, okay? So I have 12 cookies divided by 6 friends. Let's see if we can go and do that. So I have 6 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And then I can go ahead and divide 12 between them. So I'm going to start counting 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 until I get to the number 12, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I'm going to stop because it's 12. Oop, got a heart, okay? It's 12, okay? Now in order to get my answer, what do I need to do? I just need to go ahead, whoop, wrong one, here we go. I just need to go ahead and count one group. How many is there? There's 2. So I'm going to write in my answer 2, okay? And I can make sure that all of them have the same number to check my work. Now that I have my 3 numbers, I can build my fact family. I can say 6 times 2 equals 12. I can say 2 times 6 equals 12. And then we're going to take that and flip it, inverse it, okay? 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And then we can do 12 divided by 6 equals 2. All right? So that's exactly what we can do. Whoop. Here we go. There. Okay? Just like that. Okay? And we have built our fact family. In one of them, we had to do multiplication, and another one we had to do dividing, but it worked out just fine. Okay? So excellent job. That is going to be your task today, is to actually do all of these different triangles. Okay? You have the option of printing these and completing them, or you can go ahead and copy the triangles onto a piece of paper and complete the fact families. Now, it is a lot to do in one day, and you have all tomorrow to do as well. So I suggest that you guys can do some tomorrow as well as practice. Now, next week is also a holiday where we don't have school. So you can also save some of the work for next week if you'd like. Okay? All right. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later. If you have any questions, please remember to let me know. Bye.